Chihuahua's Pizza right here, and in today's video, we will be having a sleepover, and yeah, enjoy the video!
Step 1, open the cookies. Okay, let me handle it. I had to put that down.
Chica! That's good.
Let me try to.
They're delicious and delight. That's nutritious.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's preheat the oven. Wait, what difficulties are over? Okay.
I love chicken!
First, let's preheat the oven to 350.
Yummy.
I'm done.
Okay, it's nice and done. I love.
1 minute. Puppet's difficulties here. 1 moment.
If I can.
That's this. That's that. Okay. Should we add one more in the middle for a final touch? I say this one. I say this one. Right there, right? Babakabo. Okay. So should we put this in the oven?
Not yet, Chica. We have to wait until the preheating is done. We need to wait until the preheating
What's
is
up,
done.
brother?
Okay.
This is way good.
Let's pause this so we can.
So
wait
it's already done, right? So it's already time for it to put in the oven, okay?
Yeah, soon. Okay. Guys, bye.
Let's put Chica. Chica, stop putting yourself in the. No, Chica! Chica! Chica!
It's over. It's over. That's it. What if we put this in the microwave? What would happen? That would be funny.
Chica. Hey.
I took a bite out of that.
I don't care.
Even me. Huh?
Get the hell out of here, Chica. Okay.
Who wants to make that? That looks like a doggish doo-doo. Look. Like ice cream sandwich. When is this gonna beep? Oh, this is so annoying. Beep, beep, beep. Well, why you just can't... Ah! Oh my God, there's a big dinosaur. Oh, I'm just gonna sleep until it beeps.
That 1 minute. What did you say after that?
Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
It's done? Is it?
You're a multiple idiot!
Oh, okay.
You're an idiot! Shut up!
You're
Yeah,
going,
we have it.
you're going to put this in her diaper.
Ah, yes!
So we can
Hey!
put this in the oven.
Hey, get out of here, Jurassic Park, man.
We always need mittens to start.
Yeah, we always need maintenance to stop. Bro, I hope this thing doesn't stop recording. If it does, I'm so sorry, guys.
Chica, can you please open the oven?
Ready? Okay. I think it's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now we just need to set a timer.
How long? Okay.
Daddy?
We have to wait 12 minutes. Alexa, put an alarm for 12 minutes.
12-minute alarm set for 8:31 p.m.
Oh.
Okay, guys. We will be picking up whenever it is next. It's so whenever the cookies are done. Okay. Yep, I agree with you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Ow! Ow! Fuck! Ow! Oh, okay, I'll see you guys in like, I don't know how many minutes.
He loves cookies as well.
No, he doesn't. He eats crack.
Okay.
Cracked potato chips.
That's what you like, Chica.
Oh, Dubai chocolate. Can I have Dubai chocolate?
Sure. I'll get some.
Okay, let's see some Dubai chocolate. Okay. Oh, it's gold because of a reach. Okay, the Dubai chocolate. Let's try. Ew, it looks like pistachio sheet. Hey guys, I'm also trying it.
Chica, what will you do?
I give this 0 booms. Ooms. If this deserves 0 ooms, see, if this deserves 0 ooms, see, you say booms. Instead of booms, you say ooms. This deserves 5 ooms. Ooms, ooms, ooms. It sucks.
And guys, don't eat a lot of cookie dough like I accidentally did.
Yummy!
Chica.
Cookies!
And that's how you make Chica styled cookies.
Like Girl Scout cookies. I love playing with food. It tastes like Play-Doh. Is that Nightmare Freddy?
Is that Nightmare Freddy?
That's not Nightmare Freddy. I thought he sheets his pounds. The heck?
Okay. Stand-up puppet. Okay, and of course I'm going to be trying it. And that's all the people are going to be trying their cookies. And then here is the new Gordon Ramsay.
Okay, guys.
It's gonna
I am
show up-
sorry, but I don't think I could. Never mind. I don't know. Let's see.
And
Let's see
then
if
the
we
new
could.
Gordon Ramsay is about to appear on the screen in 3, 2, 1.
Is it Chica? That was a. Okay. Papa City's News just filmed that, but I wonder who's the real Gordon Ramsay. We'll do it like Greg.
For real? Him? You'll also be seeing his screen.
You wonder where you been.
Hey, Chihuahua's Pizzeria. Do you think we can record each other's screens?
Sure, let's do it.
Forehead picture.
Dongole dongorie, hey! Dongole dongorie, hey! Ringa ringa tora tata tuta chichira. Okay, we'll stop the video whenever. I'll keep in touch whenever the cookies, blushes are done. The cookies, if you guys are not Portuguese, the cookies. And we'll be trying and we'll have a sleepover. Gordon Ramsay. Bro, when can the cookies just be done?
I am puppet.
Papa,
Pause the video.
Yeah, me too. I paused the video. Right? It's paused. Yep. Is yours paused too?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ugly. You're not the cutest, Go. You're the ugliest. What the? Logan Paul!
Sorry for that.
Oh! That hurt. Come on!
𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐡𝐮 / Chihuahua. Yours and mine was recording the whole time.
Wait, what?
The whole time.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm not.
Did you do this? Caught in 4K, huh? Caught in 4K. Yeah, caught in 4K, huh? You can't see his face, see? I blurred it out, buddy. His face is blurred.
Oh. Ew!
You licked my phone.
Sorry.
Okay, guys, we'll keep in touch when these stupid cookies are done. Okay? They're done. Chica, get
check.
cookies.
Let's check.
Okay, cookies. Alexa, turn off, you piece of shit. Okay, sorry, Miley.
Does that look right?
Does that look right?
Let's call 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐡𝐮𝐚𝐻.
Okay. I didn't get another 2 minutes. That's thing. Right? You agree with me, William Appleton? William Appleton. Disgusting.
Poo poo.
It tastes like poo poo.
Poo poo.
Poo poo. Poo 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 poo. Guys, face reveal for Puppet's latest news.
Little cute little girl.
See, Puppet's latest news. This is a face reveal. Yeah, face reveal on your YouTube channel too. Look, turn it on.
Put a Snapchat filter on it.
Turn it on.
Yeah.
Turn it on, bro.
I'm an old man.
Film your
midget.
face reveal. Face reveal. Yep,
Can you
face
give me a
reveal for Puppet's latest news.
Short whiskey color.
Guys, this is what Puppet's latest news actually looks like.
Forehead picture.
Oh, talk.
Not
Talk
full.
like to believe, for people believe.
Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy.
And obviously, I've been face revealing before. And
Forehead picture. Forehead picture.
hey, this is Mr. What's
This is Fetch.
That's Fetch. What should be? That's Sparky. That's Sparky.
Sparky.
No, yeah, that's Sparky. Sparky the dog from FNAF.
I said Fetch by accident.
Hey, guys, look at these cookies. They look so delicious. Head reveal. Let's stick them up. Yeah, Chica just put in the popcorn, right? Yeah,
Chica's actually a good cook.
I am. I love baking.
But I don't trust you making cupcakes and pizza.
You remember me and Puppet's latest news? We filmed a video together. You know that video where we baking a cake went wrong. We should have got Chica, right? She
Yeah.
would have been a biggest helper. Hey, Sparky. Yo, Puppet's latest news. That should be your mascot, Sparky. You should change your name, bro. You hear me?
Yeah.
Don't call it Puppet's latest news. Isn't that lame, Puppet's latest news? Right? You agree with me, fans? Chat. You believe with me? Chat. Chat.
They chatted. They chat.
The Giga Chad. Okay,
I should take a picture
the
of
cookies. Ooh, I want milk with these. Ooh. Chica, stop.
He's lactose intolerant.
My biggest secret. There you go. Just told. Okay, now you have to reveal your biggest secret, Puppet's latest news. Actually, your face reveal is your biggest secret, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
These cookies look so delicious. I haven't had these homemade cookies in a
Oh,
long
hot.
time. Last time I made them was Chica made them for Santa Claus. Just give him a little, you know.
And instead of milk, I'd put tequila.
They smell good.
Tequila. Yeah, I put
Tequila shots. What the?
tequila shots with.
Oh my gosh, we're getting shot. Hide.
Duck down! All you guys, duck down!
I'm getting shot.
No, William Appleton.
William Appleton is not purple guy. William Appleton is an apple, not a man. Puppet's latest
Apples are
news.
yummy.
Bro, that's racist
I'm saying
to
apples
William
are good.
Appleton.
Ooh, the popcorn is done.
Popcorn is done.
It's done. It's done.
It's done.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Hi, cool.
Let's
How
try
are
it.
you?
They took my fucking eye. I'm tongue.
Is that hot?
Yeah.
This is Santa's biggest dream. Just right on the screen.
Yeah.
His biggest dream.
Right there.
Bonnie! Bonnie!
Bonnie!
I didn't do Nothing.
Bonnie! What? Oh my gosh, Bonnie! Puppet! Oh my gosh, guys. We're making a mess.
Let me try.
Yo, let's try. Screw the people at the sleepover. Puppet's latest houses.
They're good.
Okay, let's just try these things. These little dumpster duties.
They're good. Oh, my phone fell.
Well, you need a tripod like I do.
I know
See?
I do, but
You
I
need this.
don't use it. Good.
I'm home.
Mhm.
You guys want milk?
We should get milk. Yeah, we should be Santa Claus, fat, juicy Santa Claus. Yes, please. Screw all these dumb animatronics.
Hey, do you have any idea where it could
Yeah,
be?
me and you. Yeah,
Huh?
just me and this little guy.
They're good.
No. Milk.
Can't have cookies without milk.
That's against the law.
Oh. Thank
Against
you.
the law. Cheers.
Cheers. Got it all over me, but good. I might blow up the bathroom.
10 minutes later, he clogs the toilet.
Okay, let's do
Screw
our
all
biggest
these
secrets.
animatronics.
Can we see some of our funniest secrets?
Mhm.
Okay. So, last time we filmed the video here, right, at Papa Slater's house, and I clogged the toilet. Knowing me, I'm known for clogging toilets. And it overflowed. The water went everywhere. So we don't talk about that. Yeah. Okay. Puppet's latest knows what's yours.
One time I was just at school. Someone stood on a desk and said, "Am I a Sigma boy?" And then I said, "Yes." And then I started doing the Let It Grow dance. I think I have ADHD. Let's try the popcorn. That's so good.
Guys,
Trust me, we're good cookers. We cook in
by
every
the way,
we cook in every game and we cook in real life. No popcorn wet in my milk.
I am gonna explode the bathroom, guys. Can I have a cookie, Puppet's latest news? Thank you.
Here you go.
Bro, I need to wash up. I got milk all over me. ASMR. Guys.
You're good. So good.
That's good.
Puppet, what do you think? She needs to try it first.
The fact that this used to be cookie dough is crazy. It's like how a ladybug, how a thing turned into a ladybug. I forgot it.
It's like how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly.
Thank you, thank you. Gosh. Sorry. I got mixed up with a ladybug and a butterfly.
They're both two pretty creatures.
Pretty?
Yeah, they're cool.
Hey, Sparky.
Sparky,
you can't eat
You
chocolate.
can't eat chocolate. They'll oof you. They'll oof you.
Right after this video,
Chocolate.
I'm gonna take a shiz and I'm gonna wash up. Normally let's do another secret, both of us together. So while we normally, before we were even filming YouTube videos, we used to spin a wheel, right? And I even did it at my house, where whoever had to wash up first. And with my luck, guess who always wins? Me. But also, he never. But I also like washing up first because I like being clean.
I think Bonnie wants to try some popcorn.
Yeah, he literally ate a cookie.
That's so good.
Stop.
The flavors are melting on my tongue. So good. My face reveal is gonna probably be more horrible, most horrible than dreams.
Bonnie is stained.
Bonnie's not
You stained Bonnie.
Bonnie.
This is Bonnie, bro.
Bonnie.
That's the 2016 Bonnie.
There's this thing called laundry washer. It takes away stains and tie dish.
There's this thing called tape, and that tape is gonna duct tape your mouth.
Yeah.
That's cookie.
Other cookie.
This is like my third cookie.
This is my third cookie as well.
It's the taste buds is melting in my mouth. How did you eat all of that that fast?
I still have the piece right here, Jason. Yeah, more Jason.
Y'all,
What did I do to this cookie? Oh, it just broke.
guys,
Bonnie loves popcorn.
Bonnie is stained forever, guys. But we haven't even gotten to the sleepover yet, and we're eating like pigs. We're eating like we never ate before.
Yeah.
We literally ate Sonic before this video.
Like, just like.
Hey, Sparky.
Want to play some popcorn?
His real name is actually Bentley, right?
Yep.
Bentley's a crazy dude.
Let's give him some popcorn. He's allowed to have it.
He's a lot to have. Oh my god, the dog's gonna die.
No, he always has popcorn.
Do you guys dare me?
Who do you think?
Tweet,
Who
dip
do you-
this into this.
Who
I'll
do
do
you
it.
think is the better YouTuber? Gamer 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐡𝐮?
That's not my name.
Oh yeah, sorry.
That's my old name.
Only Casey.
𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐡𝐻 Pizzeria or Puppet's latest news? Oh, he picked
Do you
It's both.
do you dare me to dip this in there?
Sure.
Don't give it too much for the Bentley, okay?
Okay.
Oh, I can hear it like fizz.
I hate that part. 1 minute, guys. We're gonna have to stay with 𝐂𝐡𝐢𝐡𝐻 Pizzeria. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. 1 minute.
Did you pause it?
No, I'm not pausing it. I'm letting it record you.
Okay. Nice. Hello, Sparky, aka I forgot his real name. Bentley. Gosh. Shh, shh.
Okay, I'm back.
Hi, Puppet's latest news.
Hola. What happened? What happened?
Look at you guys.
What the Sigma?
I shushed to the cameras.
Y'all.
Gluten free? I bet this is gluten free. I'm sorry, dude.
This has to be. It says gourmet right there. Oh boy.
Gordon Ramsay made this?
I think
Bro. Per serving per 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Bro, you're not gonna count all the popcorn in there.
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Alexa, what is 28 times 170? Alexa, what is 28 times 170?
28 times 170 is 4,760.
Damn, 4,000.
4,750 calories is here. I don't know if I got it right, but I just went like that. times.
I'm gonna get diabetes after this. But only if we eat all of it. Okay, guys.
I'm pretty smart with math, buddy. I got like a B minus in math. No.
Chihuahua.
I'm not that dumb, okay, guys. I'm not that dumb. I think I have
Chihuahua?
a B plus.
Chihuahua's Pizzeria
Yeah.
is going to do a separate video for the sleepover, right?
Oh.
Right?
What? Yes, I will be making a separate video for this.
But I am going to put that video with the video that's going on right now.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for the end. So
Yeah.
end of the
So
video.
yeah,
So-
make sure you guys watch this video that is going on, and then make sure you watch this video, which is right here, which you guys are watching right now, and make sure you guys watch the video coming after the one that I'm filming right now. Yeah, you hear me, guys? Watch the next video after this one. Okay, guys. So guys, I'm gonna do my intro. You see, outro. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And it's been Chihuahua's Pizzeria out, and it's been
Puppet's latest news out.
bye, guys. Woo!